Introducing the 2023 Skoda Octavia STY 1.0 TSI with 110 horsepower in sleek grey. This 5-door saloon is packed with top-of-the-line features for comfort, convenience and safety. From air conditioning to satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. With a luxurious interior, modern exterior and advanced security systems, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit spiritskoda.ie to learn more about this amazing vehicle. Drive away in style and safety with the 2023 Skoda Octavia STY 1.0 TSI.